The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall skilla. Even freaky that say, I just told him I walk and you must spend very hard. That's why the mama about him are yard. All in a house, boy I live large. Everybody like him, down to the dog. Just told him I walk and you must spend very hard. That's why the mama about him are yard. Play domino, him play yard. Everybody like him, down to the dog. That junior name, down to the dog. Check it out on YouTube. Dancehall skilla. No late, no way, no day. Even freaky that say.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so go and check out Fergie Dad's song that is called Down to the Dog on YouTube. You see it? Yeah, go and check out his song on YouTube. I like the music video for the song. You see me? It's like an animated music video. You see me? I said to you. Alright, so big up and respect to Fergie Dad's, and when you, my viewers and subscribers, go over to Fergie Dad's YouTube page, let him know that Dancehall Skilla send you, alright? You can check the description below this video and you will see the link to the music video, alright? Now I have more video that I'm going to present to you, and right about now, I'm going to present a video to you that had been recorded somewhere within the United Kingdom. This video shows persons on a train, and this video shows a man and a woman who were sitting beside each other on a train, and the man was reading a newspaper, and it seems as if the man was annoyed as to how the female was reading her newspaper. You see me? The video shows when the man repeatedly pushed her newspaper from beside him or out of his way, and at one point the man grabbed her newspaper and threw it on the floor of the train. You see me? I don't have any confirmed information as to when this video will be recorded, you know, and I'm going to present the video to you and then we'll talk a little bit more about this video, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
This station is Waterloo. Change here for the Bakerloo, Northern and Waterloo and City lines and National Rail services.
You can keep going for the rest of this trip if you want me to.
This train terminates at West Hampstead.
Now, you see me, Dancehall Skilla, I would never encourage anyone to bully anyone or encourage anyone to do anything that is violent. No, I don't do those things. You see me, I say? See, it is said that the female was blocking his newspaper with her newspaper. And if that is true, viewers and subscribers, I think that the man should have got up and moved from beside the female or ignore the female. You see me, I said to you? And it's not everything is about racism to, you know, viewers and subscribers, because some of the comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the video shows some things that are considered to be racism. No, it's not everything is racism. Sometimes you have persons who genuinely are annoyed of a person or what a person is doing. You understand? Sometimes, and everything is about racism. Alright? Anyways, you can let me know what I think about that video that I just presented to you, and with that I'm going to move on to more videos. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that have been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, according to some things that have been said about these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you, it is said that one of the pieces of videos shows what happened when law enforcers from within the country of Guyana went to a premises within the country of Guyana, and it is said that those law enforcers searched that premises that is within the country of Guyana. It is said that a person had been detained, and it is said that smuggled liquor had been found at the premises, right? In one of these videos, it is said that law enforcers felt threatened by dogs that was at the premises, and it is said that one of the law enforcers fired a shot because he felt threatened by one of the dogs. You see? It is said that some of the law enforcers who went to the premises are said to be members of Customs Anti-Narcotics Unit within Guyana. See? It is said that the videos had been recorded at 2 separate locations within the country of Guyana. And it is said that one of the videos shows when one of the law enforcers assaulted a person. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to put these pieces of videos together and present them to you. But before I present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Shoot the dog. Shoot the dog. This is the property of the dog. That's the prison. Hey, you shut him out. You not got no respect. You shut your fucking mouth. You shut him out. Hey, shoot it. Shoot it. You shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Well, not give me time for put it and shoot it. Not give me time for put it up and you fucking shoot it. You put it. Not give me time for put it and you shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Put up your dogs.
You cannot give me time for put it up and you shoot it.
Put up your dog again.
Well, wait, you skunt now. Wait, you skunt now. Yeah, so you want to make a fucking set of unnecessary noise. Come on, Lorenzo. Push in the gate. Push in the gate. Push in the gate. Push in the gate. Yes, well, now I tell you, wait, no man. Chief. Wait. You got to before the dog run out. Watch, you catch it? You can shoot. You can shoot people. You can see where you're going to end up. Come. Come. Hey, wait, you son now. Wait, shoot now.
Put him up now.
Shoot it. You
Put him up now.
Shoot.
Don't put
Shoot if you want. Shoot your skunt now. Shoot. Put them skunt up. Put them up. Shoot if you want.
Let it
You only think you're fucking mannish. You only think you're fucking mannish.
Don't put him up.
You only think you're mannish. You don't think you're
Don't put
mannish.
them up.
Well, no. Well, shoot them and kill them now.
You don't put them up, man.
All right. Shoot them and kill them now.
You don't put it up.
Think people stupid, no? Bet you this last fucking day I got your operation here. Watch.
You talking too much. Get your dogs.
Talking too much. You talking too much.
The operation. And
Wait.
the dog, right?
Come, Ruff, come. You're blocking me from exiting custom compound. This one here as well. Watch it right here. This one is the one that pulled the trigger. This one right here like shoot. He pulled the trigger. The same one here. He pulled the trigger. He like shoot. He like to shoot. This is the one that shoot up in my yard. Get his face properly. He shoot up in my yard. This one here.
Move from in front.
Move.
According to a few news articles that I read, it is said that a person had been detained or arrested by law enforcers within Guyana, and it is said that the person had been accused of smuggling liquor. See, it is said that the person had been accused of smuggling liquor from Brazil to Guyana, and allegedly it is said that smuggled liquor had been found at the premises. You see me? It is said that cases of alcohol had been seized from the premises by law enforcers within Guyana. I did not get any confirmed information about any of the dogs getting shot or anything like that. You see me? No, I didn't get any information about anyone getting injured or any animal getting injured. You see me? I said to you. And you can let me know what you think about those pieces of videos that I just presented to you. Alright? Alright. Now with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now the next video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when this video had been recorded. But however, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows a confrontation between a motorist and a police officer. And I also got the understanding that the confrontation is about a motor vehicle that had been parked at a certain place somewhere within Trinidad and Tobago. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. You can also let me know who you think was wrong and so on. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good day, officer. You sure I'm my vehicle lane? Let me go and see my license and insurance. Okay, so you can say anything about that. But you know, tell me. My name is They might father you wasting my time, man. Renault, you tell me you sure that my vehicle over there. And my name is Renault. Well, let me see the picture here. Yeah, my name is Jerome Smith.
But you said your name was Renault.
I said that? You're a liar? You're a police? Or a liar? Which one is?
You said your name is Renault.
Come on now, I don't even have time for this. If we want, we could get lawyers and things involved. We do that.
You said your name was Renault, sir.
Did I say that? I said my name was Renault. I said my name is Renault. Officer, I give you a bounce cake on one say good day. He's a liar and I don't like that. I will never, ever comply with police again. He's a liar. He is a liar. But look at me here, this one here. Trying to make you work easy, trying to give me a ticket for a random vehicle and saying, you come by my business. Look, my business right there, stepping down. Okay, but look, my business there, stepping. Why would I park over there and I have a whole car parking? Not making sense. You're making a lie. Well, I could go my way. Alright, cool. Make sure you call it. Let me get my license and insurance. In my vehicle. No, you want to see in my vehicle. Yeah, look my name on my bank card for real.
Alright, that's basically it.
But you know, see, I tell you my name. Look at that. Jerome Smith. J-A-Y.
So what is the problem now?
The problem is you're lying. You're going and say. You know, say my name is some Reynolds, something is a liar, but I don't like that. I don't even know that. You lie, brother. You don't even know tactics in me, but you go from
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the understanding that I got from that video that I just presented to you. See? I got the understanding that a police officer went to a business place to find who owned a vehicle that is parked somewhere within Trinidad and Tobago. Now, listen to this now. Why would a businessman who own a business right here, and if the business have a parking lot, why would he park his vehicle all the way over here across the road? Why? Why would a businessman own his business here and have a parking lot and go park his vehicle over here across the road away from his business? And I'm not saying that a businessman won't do that, you know, because there are persons who just do reckless things sometimes, you see me? But if the businessman actually park his vehicle over here while his business place is here with parking lot, and if he's parked at a spot where he's supposed to get a ticket, and if he's going to get a ticket and get a ticket, then I think it is fault. But the question that I'm asking still, you see, is why would a businessman that owns his business here with a parking lot would go parking vehicle all the way over here, so? See? And that's as far as I can go when it comes on to the video that I just presented to you. You see what I say? See? Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla, I know. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.